Okay, so for our next problem, we have 2/5 x minus 6 equals 38. So obviously, as we discussed before, we'd start off the constant due to reversing the order of operations. So we would do the inverse operation of minus 6, which would be plus 6 in this situation. And obviously, what we do to one side, we gotta do to the other. 6 to the right side of the equation. So as a result, obviously minus 6 plus 6 would cancel out because that would equal to 0 and 0 has no value. And then 38 plus 6 would equal to 44. So simply now we would bring down the 2/5 x and make it equal to 44. Okay, so now what we would do from here is we gotta somehow isolate the variable just by itself. So now what we do here is we gotta multiply 2/5 times 5/2. And the reason is because we want to isolate x and we also want to make it to 1x. So that's why we would multiply 2/5 by the reciprocal. So because we know the reciprocal times the normal value would equal 1. So or rather 1x, which would be x. Have to multiply 5 halves to the other side because also obviously what we do to one side is what we also have to do to the other one. We multiply these by 2, so if we multiply this by 2 it would be 1, and then this would be 22 because 44 divided by 2 is 22, and then simply 22 times 5 would be equal to 110. So simply x in this equation, x would be equal to the value of 110.